Project 39 mini albums, and I want to show you a quick little folio that I made using this paper collection from Country Craft Creations. The paper collection is called Midnight Ride, and it is so filled with color. It's got beautiful purples and teals, and of course orange, and then the black and white. And the imagery is just fabulous. So let me show you real quick the project I made. All right, and here is my project. It is a folio. Now, I don't have a tutorial on this. I might be making other versions, and I will do a tutorial if I do that. Oh, I have paint on my hands. Okay. All right, here's the belly band, and we'll take that down. And then this is the cover. This is 8 inches by 5 inches. We open it up, and it brings you to a pull down, which will come up, and then there is the tag. And I told you it was from the Midnight Ride paper collection, but as I go through, I want to know if you guys recognize paper, if you're familiar with Country Craft Creations, because this is not from Midnight Ride. I think that's from a fall paper collection. I used 4 other sheets from different paper collections. This is something else from a different paper collection. Anyhow, I took one of the adorable 3x4 cut-aparts and made a little pocket with it, and I put that little tag in. And then this will open up, and then this opens up as well. So this will open this way, and there is a another 3x4 cut-apart that I put a hole in and put on some string. So Jacqueline Hart, who is also on the design team at Country Craft Creations, sent me some of this fun fur, and oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I really don't know why they discontinued it. Maybe people don't knit with it, but you sure can do fun paper crafting. This is one of the punch outs, or not a punch out, but a cut apart. I actually fussy cut around it because I didn't have a circle punch that side. So that closes again, and then this will open up, and this gives you another pocket. So what would you do with something like this? You could add photos. Now you could put 4x6 photos on pages like this, but on the shorter pages or thinner pages, you could do 3x4 photos or 3x3 and put on the cut-aparts. And then this will open up that way. Don't you love that moon? I didn't want to do anything with this page because, again, the imagery is fabulous, and I just love that all by itself. But you could, if you wanted to, put a photo on that page. I would probably put a small photo or even leave that page alone. And then that'll open that way. This Trick or Treat is from yet another paper collection, and I just have that as a tuck spot and have this 3x4 card there. And this is another one of the cut-aparts, and I have, it's probably 3 1/4 by 4 1/4 that I just cut out of paper. And then this will open this way, another pocket with a larger than normal tag. And then that's one of the cut-aparts. This is from a fall paper collection, but doesn't it look perfect? And then this will open that way to show you that whole spread. So yes, you could put a photo there. If you want to, you can put a photo here. But this will open up like that. And there is a cute little waterfall. And there is that. Now, there's more. So here's another little pocket. This is one of the cut-aparts. I put a doily from, I think it was it was from my stash. I'm not sure who makes that doily. And that'll open like that. I put the little cut-apart, I actually put a little magnet on it and put this 3x4 journaling card in there. And then there is that. Now on this page there are, I think, 3 or 4 different paper collections. This is one, this is one, this is one, and then of course this and that. So it was fun. And I guess that goes to show that Country Craft Creations paper collections will match with other ones. So, I mean, black and white, of course, goes nicely with the Halloween. That'll open that way. And that is just a plaid. Look at that. Isn't that fabulous? So, and then that closes, and we roll it up, and we roll it up, and then I think this can go like that, and that'll close like that. This will close this way. I was going to close it with ribbon, but I was inspired by other folios that closed with a belly band, and so I decided to go that route. Now this belly band is a little too big for it, and I did that on purpose, thinking once you get photos in here, it will fit perfectly. So there we go. There is the cute little folio I made using the Midnight Bride paper collection from Country Craft Creations. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and hit the bell for notifications and be a subscriber to my channel so you can see other fun things. As I probably will do more folios, and if I do, I will do tutorials. So that's what I have for you today. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous day.